What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am Sticks, and I'm not even gonna lie, today I'm a little tired. It's real hot out here, and I'm doing a double shoot today. So this video is going to be about headlight restoration. That's what we're doing. We're doing headlight restoration. This is how to restore the headlights on your vehicle, and I'm just basically using the method that I came across. I have a better method. The only difference is I don't have the product here with me. I left the product at home. So the product I usually would use, I feel like might work a little bit better than this method, but we're still going to try this method and just see how it works. So I already took the headlights out, as you can see, and yeah, not even gonna lie, these guys look real bad. I mean, like, they seem like they haven't been cleaned since 1999. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a restoration going on these, and I'm gonna show you how, you know what I'm saying, the results look. So come on, follow me. Alright, so this is my headlight, and I don't know if you can honestly see it from your angle, but it needs help. Like, this thing is basically yellow or brown. I say it's more brown than yellow. So yeah, let's start sanding it down, getting some of the yellow off. Hopefully we can clear it up a little bit, and then hit it with the spray and see what it does. Alright, so this right here is just pretty much a sanding sponge that I got from Ace Hardware. I ended up picking it up, I want to say it was like $4 or $5. I got it from Ace Hardware. It has a soft side and a rough side, and then I got some 2000 grit hand sandpaper, like sand sheet or whatever. I got that for like $1.50. So those are really the only two that I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna show you the spray that I got as well. And I think the spray was like $7.99.
I got YB with me.
So this right here is the spray that I ended up getting from, where did I get you from? Harbor Freight. That's where I got it from. Ended up getting it from Harbor Freight. It was like $7.99 or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna blast this thing to see what it does. Alright, so we're just gonna sit here, we're just gonna let it dry and pretty much see how it turns out after it finishes drying. As far as right now goes, this does look real good. I'm pretty sure y'all can see it on y'all end too. As far as right now goes, it looks good, it looks clean, it looks clear, and it looks like it's going to be bright. But I see some runnage up top, so I'm probably going to have to just re-sand that out and re-smooth it out. But yeah, as far as right now, it looks good.